Sitecore AI is really the next evolution of XM Cloud, right? And what really excites me is really how they're folding in all the product capabilities they had across their SaaS suite into one product. And this is not a bundling. This is not, oh, you get XM Cloud and you get these four other things. It's actually a re-envisioning of what XM Cloud is with a brand new interface and navigation that really ties it all together into one cohesive package. So XM Cloud customers, their investment just got a whole lot smarter because not only did you have the functionality that you had before, but you get a whole new set of capabilities that you could take advantage of to really drive growth and value.